Welcome back, Flare community. Today, you are in for a real treat. A new project is coming to both Songbird and the Flare Network. This project is simply mind-blowing. It's something we've never seen before in the space. It's not only going to be a lot of fun, it's also going to offer ways in which you can earn a passive income. It is my absolute pleasure to announce the latest application being built on both Songbird and Flare, Kings of Strategy. Absolutely incredible, I'm sure you will agree. I'm extremely excited about Kings of Strategy and honoured to be accepted as part of the team focused on creating a unique NFT experience for users of the Flare and Songbird network. Kings of Strategy is a strategy game that uses economic incentives to power 6 sub-games in a virtual strategic and economic competition where players and owners can build long-term revenue-generating non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These games are Series of Strategy, which is based on horse racing, Aces of Strategy, which is based on golf, Ballers of Strategy for basketball, Goals of Strategy for football or soccer, Diamonds of Strategy for baseball, and finally Gridiron of Strategy, which is for American football. Kings of Strategy will be the most revolutionary NFT strategy game of our time. We've created the foundation to build a complete virtual sports economy. Never before have gamers been able to own and monetize their gaming assets in a way that combines passive income with gaming entertainment. Within the Kings of Strategy game, you will have top-level assets and also individual assets, which will both be represented as NFTs. Let's run through a brief example relating to Aces of Strategy, the golf sub-game of Kings of Strategy. Let's say you own a top-level asset, for example, a golf course with 18 holes, which represents a real business within the game as an NFT, which you can earn real income. Other users will be able to mint what are called individual assets. In this example, it can be represented as a golfer. The golfer can enhance their skills and statistics with what we call attribute points. Numerous golfers can then compete with each other at the top-level asset golf course in the hope of winning the competition or tournament to win the prize. The owner of the golf course also receives an income from those who compete in the tournament. The use cases for NFTs has just expanded massively. And if you would like to know more about Kings of Strategy, you have a number of different options. First and foremost, be sure to check out their Twitter accounts over at Kings_Strategy. In addition to Twitter, we also have a dedicated Discord channel. I'll provide a link in the description below. And finally, you can get all of the details you need on the Kings of Strategy website, which is kingsofstrategy.xyz. I unpack the white paper of this project in my latest video, which you can find linked above. Kings of Strategy is coming to both Songbird and the Flare Network. Come and join the fun. The kingdom awaits. Until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.